Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve game not playing on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve game not playing on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Roblox. Then this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.